Relative keys are a concept which deserves some detailed and deliberate description, which is not what this video is going to give you. What I want to show you very quickly today is a situation which I know happens to a lot of people, and how relative keys are at the centre, making sense of a very disorientating experience. We're using Harp Guru to demonstrate what's going on here, so if you don't know what relative keys are yet, then stick around anyway, because Harp Guru has a habit of making things very clear. So here's what happened to me. I was preparing to do a little improv. I put on a jam track in G, and I picked up my C harp and began simply with a major pentatonic in second position. Well, that's strange, I thought. The 3 is sounding dud, so I flattened it, and in fact found that the minor pentatonic was just sounding and working a lot better than the major pentatonic. Well, that's strange, I thought. I'm sure this tune was in G major. Why would the major pentatonic sound so bad and the minor sound so good, and in fact not sound minor at all? Next thing I know, I'm realising that my harp is in the key of A rather than the key of C. I've picked up the wrong harmonica. Oh, this is very strange, I thought. That means I've been playing an E minor pentatonic over a G major backing track? I wonder what's going on. Well, if you do know relative keys, then you might already know that E minor is the relative key of G major. What that means here is that all of the notes in this E minor pentatonic are exactly the same as the notes in a G major pentatonic. Well, knowing that is one thing, but what does it look like and how can we feel it? First, let's have a look at the notes we're playing in this E minor pentatonic. So those are E, G, A, B and D, making up the root, flat third, fourth, fifth and flat seventh of the minor pentatonic. In the positions and keys menu, we can see all of the positions required to play every single key on this A harp that we've found ourselves with. And down here you can see that playing in G on an A harmonica is possible in 11th position. Is it possible that I was playing in 11th position by accident? Well, yeah, apparently it was, but I'm no wizard. Watch this. When we select 11th position, suddenly we're told that we're playing a major pentatonic. So what has happened here? Well, looking at the harp face, we can see that we're still playing E, G, A, B and D like before, but now with the G as the root and the remaining notes forming the 2nd, 3rd, 5th and 6th, this is now a major pentatonic, not a minor as we thought we were playing. E minor, G major. So the pattern that we're familiar with playing for a minor pentatonic in second position is exactly the same as the pattern for a major pentatonic in 11th position. And this is the case with all the patterns that we know, actually. Here's a major pentatonic in second position, for example, and here's the same pattern creating a minor pentatonic in 5th position. And this is a major pentatonic in 1st position. Do practice your 1st position, it's very important. But also because this pattern is the same as the pattern required for a minor pentatonic in 4th position. Now we're all familiar with the minor pentatonic in 3rd position. Well, this is the same pattern producing a major pentatonic in 12th position. And this isn't particular to pentatonic scales either, but as I said, we'll save a detailed explanation of relative keys for another video. The lesson here, apart from the fact that I have a tin ear and didn't notice that I was playing a major 6th when I thought I was playing the root, the main lesson is to recognise that all of the patterns we play have entirely different but sometimes entirely familiar alter egos in different positions. Simply by playing the same notes using a different one as your root, we get a different scale. And that's why sometimes you can pick up the wrong harmonica and still do something great using something familiar. And why when you're ready to try, you might actually be more well prepared for new positions than you think you are. If you like the look of Harp Guru, it's available now for both Android and iOS, and whether you have the app or not, please like and subscribe so that you can still benefit from these Harp Guru demonstrations on a regular basis. Any questions or video requests, please leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.